Hi, it's Dr. Elisha Van Dusen at New Hope Chiropractic. Oftentimes I get asked, can chiropractic treatments relieve tendonitis? Well, yes, it can. Tendonitis pain can linger for weeks or months after you're first noticing the pain and the problem. Fortunately, chiropractic treatment offers a really effective way to speed healing and reduce your pain. So what are some of the symptoms of tendonitis, you might ask? Well, it occurs due to the inflammation in the tendon, which is a tough cord that connects a muscle to a bone, and the condition can affect any part of your body and is known by different names depending on its location. Tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, pitcher's shoulder, jumper's knee, trigger finger, these are all common types of tendonitis, like biceps, triceps, Achilles, thumb, and rotator cuff tendonitis. So symptoms of tendonitis are things like swelling, stiffness, and pain that can extend in your arm, leg, or any other area of your body too. You're more likely to develop tendonitis if you do a sport, for example, or activity that involves repetitive movements. So some of these are things like golf, tennis, baseball, basketball, cleaning, painting, gardening. All these things can strain a tendon and can involve repetitive movements, making it more likely to become inflamed. So if you have poor posture too, or you work in a job that requires twisting your body into unnatural or uncomfortable positions, the tendonitis risk may be even higher as well. Age can also be a factor here too, because as you get older, your tendons become weaker and stiffer and can't handle activity the same way they once could. Even if you haven't changed your habits or activity level, you can still develop a tendonitis simply due to your age. It can even be related to your use of digital devices. Smartphone tendonitis, for example, can affect tendons in the thumbs and the wrists, and chiropractic treatment can help all of these things possibly. It offers several important benefits for tendonitis, like reducing inflammation. Inflammation in a tendon can be related to subluxation, a problem that occurs when the vertebrae in the spine become misaligned. Misalignments increase tension on muscles and tendons, and that increases your risk of developing an inflamed tendon. And once that occurs, it may not get better unless normal alignment is restored. So chiropractically, this can be achieved with spinal adjustments, and those are, of course, treatments that use quick hands-on pressure to move the vertebra back into the proper alignment. Also, improved range of motion, spinal manipulation, soft tissue mobilization, massage, other chiropractic treatments can decrease stiffness, and that makes it easier to move the injured part of the body. So treatments also break up scar tissue too that can restrict movement of joints, improving the range of motion. And also, if you improve range of motion in nearby joints, that can ease tendonitis symptoms and prevent a recurrence. For example, with the Achilles tendon, it can be strained if the bones in your ankles or feet don't move properly or move freely. So readjusting that alignment can really help the Achilles tendonitis. Also, if you don't know why you have tendonitis, you might be more likely to develop the condition again and again and again. So as a chiropractor, I can help determine if a muscle imbalance can be to blame for the symptoms, as overworked muscles can become inflamed more easily, and overdeveloping one set of muscles may mean that other muscles become weaker and less able to support the tendons adequately. Also, if we determine that it's an issue with your muscles and it's caused or contributed to your tendonitis condition, we can recommend exercises that'll help use all of your muscles equally, and we'll also teach you some exercises that'll strengthen the tendons and the muscles. And if tight muscles are to blame for tendonitis, then you'll get information about the exercises and habits that help keep the muscles loose. So if you're struggling with tendonitis symptoms, or you know somebody is, chiropractic treatment can definitely be a good possibility for helping these symptoms and taking care of this problem naturally. So contact us at newhopechiropractic.com to schedule an appointment. We'll be happy to help you out as soon as possible. Have a healthy day.